What's the meaning of boarding school? Boarding school. Boarding school.
Boarding school. Boarding school. A boarding school is a type of educational institution where students live on campus for the majority of the year, as opposed to attending classes and returning home on a daily basis. Boarding schools offer a range of academic programs, extracurricular activities, and social opportunities for their students. Living in a boarding school environment can provide many benefits such as developing independence, making lifelong friends and improving social skills. Additionally, boarding schools offer a structured and supportive environment with ample opportunities for personal growth and self-discovery. This type of education can be an excellent choice for students who thrive in a nurturing and diverse community and want to access high-quality educational resources under one roof.